Alright, our next step is to take a look at a graph that does not have a y-intercept of 0. Okay, so here we go, directions. Look at this graph. What is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? So it's saying down here we can use write your answers using integers, proper fractions, and improper fractions in simplest form. Alright, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. To find the slope, number 1, pick and label. Pick and label. Pick and label. Okay, so here we go. What makes this one pretty easy is if you take a look, every corner is a point. Okay, so that's a point, that could be a point, that can be a point, that can be a point, etc. These are all points. So you only need to pick 2 of them. And the 2 I'm going to pick is where they cross each of the axes. So I'm going to pick that point there. And you know what? I'm going to pick that point there. Alright. Step 1, pick and label is complete. Step 2 is going to be change and y. Okay? So pay attention here. So look that we're at negative 70. Okay? Negative 60 and negative 80. In between is negative 70. So we're going to go up by 10. So each box is considered a 10. So like for an example, 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40. Okay? But we're going to go up so it's positive. So positive 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, which just takes us to the same height as our other point. So change in y is going to be 70 because I'm counting up from this point to that point. So up means positive. Okay, next is going to be our step 3, change in x. And after I left off at 0, 0, we just need to count to the right. So again, take a look at your increments here. It's going by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and it looks like it's also 70. Step 4 is going to be our slope. Okay, so our slope is going to be change in y over change in x equals 70 divided 70, which equals, actually that's nice, 70 divided 70 is going to be equal to a whole number of 1. Okay, so our 1 is our slope. Then the y-intercept is our b. Okay, so all we got to do is take a look at the y-axis, okay, and find out where it crosses the y-axis. If you take a look, it crosses right here at negative 70. So negative 70 is where it crosses there. So negative 70 is going to go in for b. Here we go. Plug it in and we should be good. So we got y equals 1x minus 70. Okay, so here's a case right here where the formula said use positive, but because a negative and a positive is negative, I'm going to use subtraction right there. Okay, notice that we can simplify. The thing that we can simplify is going to be the fact that that 1 is there right there. Okay, so 1 times something is still something. So 1 times x, just call it x. So we're going to drop that 1. So final answer is going to be y equals x minus 70. And that is a lovely, beautiful 70. All right, try the next couple of problems and see how you do.